Hey guys, I don't know where I left off before, but I'm going to try to get this door off today. I need to pretty much get far under here to disconnect the harness, and then just take this pin out, and then 4 bolts, and the door should be off. I'll time lapse it. So I finally was able to disconnect or find and disconnect the door harness. It took me about 35 minutes to find it, disconnect it. It was all the way. I had to move the ignition harness out of the way, and then it was like all the way tucked back. You can't even see it. It was just insane how deep it is in there. So got that off. Now the pin is out. I just need to put this on a jack and undo the bolts to the door. So 4 bolts. I think I'm gonna do 2 bolts first, put it on the jack. I'm by myself, so it'd be nice to have a second set of hands, but I don't right now. So I will put it on a jack. Put it on a jack, take the last 2 bolts out, and then get this door off. All right, door is off. I am no longer Door Dent Dan, as Tommy FEI would say. I'm watching Tommy right now. Yeah, door's off. I'm pumped that that's off. I will no longer have a dented door. Red door is going on. I had some PDR done to it yesterday. I had a slight, very small dent that was left from the fix. If you're on Instagram and following me, you'll see the door came a little bit dented up. Had it PDR'd out, but yeah, so that got done. I actually had the PDR guy come yesterday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I got new NSXR carpet also. Maybe I'll pull that out for another video just to do a weight difference from the stock carpet to the NSXR carpet. I think a couple people are interested to see how much weight is shed off that. I had a ding back here too, a little dent back in this little corner back here. That got PDR'd out, really, really nice. Paint chipped a little bit, but the car's getting painted, so I'm really happy that the dent is completely gone out of there. I think there's like a small little ding somewhere in here I saw, but nothing worth even for me addressing. So PDR got done, doors off. I also didn't record it, but I stripped down this driver's side mirror all the way down so I can get it painted nice and no overspray on anything. So that's stripped down. I'll maybe record doing this mirror, stripping it down, or time lapse it or whatever. I gotta figure out this door. I gotta take the dash glove box out, take a couple more of the ECMs or whatever you want to call them out. I need to take the rest of the SRS harness out. The dash is gonna come out last, and I gotta get some dry ice, get all this sound deadening out. I don't know if I'm gonna do this back panel yet because I don't know how I'm gonna get the dry ice on there. I've told people and they're telling me to scrape it off or whatever, but I've done that before, and I don't know if I really want to go through that. It makes a mess, and it's just not as clean as when you drop the dry ice down and just chip it away. So those are the things that are left. I'm really pumped about this door, even though that harness was a nightmare. These hinges I really don't want to move. I think I'm going to paint them on the car, clean them, and paint them. I don't want to mess up the adjustment on this side, because when I did my ITR, we did it and we probably spent, I don't even know, a long time trying to get the doors aligned right. Plus these have like it's like sealed up. I'll just clean really well around them, paint them, maybe replace the bolts after I paint them. That way they're nice and clean and not painted, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll probably just paint them on. Got to get that door stripped down eventually, but I'm probably not going to strip it down until I'm ready to assemble that door, just so I can kind of have a little bit of a guidance on where everything's routed through as far as the harness and stuff. But that other door needs to come off and be stripped down completely of everything, because that's going to get painted. I think that's it for this video. Yeah, I think that's it. I lied, I didn't stop. I took this bracket off for the SRS unit. I want to save it because it holds the carpet in place on this side, I believe. So I'm gonna separate that piece from this piece. I'm just gonna drill out these two spot welds so I can just save this bottom piece and use it, and then lose the weight from this piece here. I'm guessing the NSX doesn't have this piece on here, and this bracket. So I'm gonna drill that out real quick.